Whew, is it looking dark or not? I don't know. Is it dark? Let's turn this up. Maybe turn the f-stop up. Okay, that makes a difference. Oh my God. Have I been filming for so long with it down so low? I think I have. Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another hair color and I am supporting a local WA brand. This lady actually lives in the same suburb as me. How crazy is that, right? She has just launched her own cruelty-free, vegan, amazing hair care line and asked if I wanted to try out one of her products. And of course I said yes. So they are a direct dye, kind of like Arctic Fox and Manic Panic and things like that. And the brand is called Earth Witch. Adore the packaging. So I've never used this hair color before, but you know, with everything that's going on, I think it's really important to support local businesses. And you know, I'm due for a fresh hair color. The color I have here is called Jinx. I got to pick what color I wanted, and this is the most cool based purple that I've come across. Majority of purples that I've used in the past always have like a pink or red undertone to it, but this is like, it almost looks blue. And she said as it will fade out, it will fade to like a platinum, you know, white blonde if you've already got a blonde base. So I thought for today's video, instead of just doing like one straight all over color, I'd dilute it a little bit, have some pieces that are the pure strength, and just do some little formulations to show you guys if you've just got one color, how you can make it last longer, but also how you can get multi-dimensional tones in your hair just with the one shade. This is the strongest color I think I've ever used or will ever use, even though I haven't even used it yet, but just mixing it up, like a tiny bit got on my fingers, right? When I was taking the lid off. And holy ballsack, it is so strong to the point that I literally did like 80 grams of conditioner, 10 grams of color, and like I got something like still intensely pigmented. So I'm going to use these three top shades. So this is it undiluted. It actually looks quite purple on camera, but in person it does have a real indigo kind of blue undertone in a way. So this is the straight version. This is 50 grams conditioner, 3 grams of color, and then this is 80 grams conditioner, 20 grams of color. So I'm going to use these three. With the lightest shade, I want to do like some money pieces, almost kind of face framing highlights in that kind of section. I'm not going to foil anything because I can't be bothered. The middle color is going to be most of my all over color. Yeah, honey. Wow. You show me. Come, stand here. Stand here. Show me your hands. Go like this. Up here. Show everyone. Someone's been painting. Oh, have you been painting? Thank God it's washable. I'm going to do my roots in the straight color because they're quite dark. And I'll have strands of the straight color kind of flecking through. And then the middle color is going to be basically the rest of it. So fingers crossed it works out. This color as well is quite runny in consistency as well. So I've laid down a towel and all that jazz. So to prep my hair, like all direct dyes, it is best if you shampoo your hair, no conditioner, shampoo, and let it just basically air dry almost 100%. We're doing it. All right, so I'm just basically keeping this dark color on my already naturally dark roots. Just going a little bit less where the money piece is gonna be. This consistency, actually, it has almost like a gel kind of consistency. It reminds me a lot of Goldwell Illumin. And it smells really nice as well, I should say. I think it smells like grapes.
Mommy.
Yeah? Wow! You have done a beautiful job. Can I show everyone? Can I show everyone? Look at what Hazel's done. That is beautiful. Well done. Well done. We'll have to put it on the fridge, won't we? Do you want to do some more for me?
Yeah? Do lots so we can have lots on the fridge.
Mommy.
I know, yeah. Wow, that is beautiful. Great job, sweetie. Yeah, do you want more paper?
Please. Please, Mommy. Okay now? Okay.
Okay. Alright, that is most of my roots done, or all of them. I'm just gonna, it actually feels very, in the hair, very, very serumy. Unlike other ones that are kind of like a conditioner and they don't spread that far, this feels so serumy that you could actually spread this so much further in your hair and use less product. Yeah, honey. Oh, it's a calculator. Oh. So I'm just gonna work this all in, make sure it's all kind of throughout there. Of course you can get a mirror and like look with another mirror to make sure, but this will do. And I'm thinking what I'm gonna do now is the money piece, which is the lightest piece, which will just be throughout the front. Wherever you're gonna part your hair, my parting does kind of change, so it doesn't really bother me too much. But I'm not gonna do like too thick stripes. I'm gonna do almost like a V section either side of the part, so that it will still be dark here, and then it's like a veil with the lightness kind of peeking through, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna section a V, just like a thin kind of V. Is that a bit I missed? Probably. Okay. Yeah, that is a bit I missed. It's all right, rub it in. Rub it in. All right, so I've got this little V kind of section here. I'm just going to pin that back. And then what I'm gonna do is do pretty much around the face, this lighter kind of color. So I'm just gonna do zigzag kind of section. So some pieces I'm going quite deep in, coming quite right out to the hairline, back in and down. Okay, so here we have the section. So this is going to have the light coloured ends, which is this one here. Oh, is it in her hair? Yeah.
Thank you. I'm going to put this next to my computer. You want it?
No, there's no more cake. You've already had cake today. We made cupcakes yesterday and Hazel had like 5 of them and did not sleep. So I've learnt my lesson for today. So either side, or you want to shower? Either side I did the middle purple. This one section in the back I'm going to do the straight purple. Does remind me of when I did my rainbow hair. If you guys haven't seen that tutorial, I know a lot of people are probably like, don't you need to like wrap each section, keep them separately? I mean, you definitely can if you want, but just like my rainbow hair tutorial, I had yellow lying next to orange, lying next to green, and it didn't bleed together. Of course, it does depend on the brand you're using as well.
You're the reason why I thought I caught your eyes. The love is blind. I thought saw you smile.
Okay, so I have very loosely kind of pinned this up and left the face framing pieces down. I'm such a mess. I've literally got colour like everywhere. I had a hole in my glove. So I'm just reading the back here as well. It says you can leave the colour on for 30 minutes or more if you want more vivid results. Zero ammonia, peroxide or other harsh chemicals. No need to re-shampoo or condition. You just rinse with cold water. And enjoy your magical new hair colour for up to 35 washes. 35 washes. That's amazing. Most other colours are like 8 to 10 washes. But as I said, like this is so strong. It would definitely last you a long time. Obviously diluting it, it's not going to last as long because you've diluted it. But you get my drift. So we're going to let this process and then I will be back to show you guys the results. Rainbows, so here you have the finished result. I hope that is in focus. I'm very impressed with how it turned out. I love the just straight purple on its own, but even the diluted version is just so pretty. But I think it all kind of works in well together, and definitely like that placement of having the money piece under that veil works really well. And I'm so glad I put like these pops of the brighter purple in the front there as well, because it's just so much fun. So I'm going to have all of the color details, mixations, everything listed down in the description box below, as well as where you can get Earth Witch.
I will have their website linked below, but as I said earlier, they have not launched yet. They do have a Kickstarter, and as it says here, they're only 20% funded. So if they don't get the rest of their funds, then the launch I don't think is going to happen, and they'll have to wait till, you know, in the future. But if you guys wanted to support their Kickstarter, I will have it linked below. I'm really impressed with this color. Yes, Hazel. You want a boy? Okay. You can hear Hazel. So yeah, I'll have all that information below, and if you guys are interested in supporting our Aussie business, then definitely check it out.
Definitely support her if you can. If you love bright colors, I would absolutely recommend giving this a go. Hope you like my hair. Thanks for watching.